Rubbed an aspirin in her hair. What happened a few hours later is fantastic. Aspirin is known for its ability to heal minor aches and pains, but it is also rumored to be a very effective ingredient in many beauty and everyday tricks. After doing a search, I came across a number of awesome recommendations, which involve these small aspirins, and we have made a list with some of the most interesting. Have you ever used aspirin for your hair? I encourage you to share your comments with us, as well as other alternative uses that are useful for use with aspirin. When you try these tips and tricks, remember to consult your doctor before taking a new medication. Here's how I used it. The use of aspirin to combat dandruff is a two-step process. First, you need to mix a couple of crushed tablets with your usual shampoo and apply it to your scalp in the normal way while you shower. Once the mixture has rested for a few minutes, rinse thoroughly. Then massage the mixture of aspirin and warm water into the scalp and let it work for 10 minutes. Again, rinse, and then dry your hair with a towel. Aspirin contains salicylic acid, the same active ingredient that is used in many anti-dandruff shampoos.